Hey everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a spring reset, getting my life together for the second quarter of the year and the spring season. This is the perfect time of year to just kind of get your life together. I like to do this kind of every month, but especially every quarter to just kind of check in on my goals, make new goals, just kind of get organized. One of my main focuses is going to be cleaning my apartment. It's really messy right now. I actually just got back from visiting my sister in Arkansas. I feel like I just have cosmetics all over my counter that need put away. My dresser has a bunch of products that I just unboxed in like a little PR unboxing. There's just dust built up everywhere. My shower needs a good clean. Literally every single thing needs cleaned. Even my car needs cleaned. That's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be cleaning. We're gonna be doing a little glow up, making some goals for the second quarter of the year. Just kind of getting my life together. That is the plan for this vlog. I'll show you guys like a little to-do list of what I plan to do to kind of reset for spring. Definitely comment below what you guys like to do to reset for spring or even just like a new season, a new quarter. I'm gonna do this collagen mask from Biodance. I got this in a 4-pack from Sephora during their sale and it comes out to about $4 a mask. These masks are so hydrating. You leave it on for like 3 to 4 hours and your skin basically absorbs all of the serum and moisture from the mask. I'm gonna leave this mask on while I get some stuff done. I really want to tidy up my apartment. It's looking really messy. I feel like I just have random stuff everywhere. I also have some emails and admin work to do. I also want to switch out my bedding for some more kind of spring floral bedding now that it's March. This smoothie is so good. I did 2 cups of frozen strawberries, about a cup of frozen bananas, a cup of milk. I did whole milk because that's usually what I use for my latte, so it's actually all I have. And then 2 pitted dates. It's so good. It's very similar to the Hailey Bieber Erewhon smoothie. I just didn't add like the coconut or the strawberry jam or avocado. That one also has avocado. It's really good. It's like the perfect strawberry smoothie. It's been about 3 hours. The mask is mostly clear, so I think we can remove it. Skin feels so hydrated. Also, just doing a mask is very relaxing. It's like kind of cooling and hydrating. I got my apartment pretty much cleaned up. My bathroom counter had so many products on it and now it's completely clear. It's not like deep cleaned and wiped off. That is going to be the next step of this video. I like to wipe everything down. My baseboards are dusty. I have spider webs in the corners. It just needs a really, really good deep clean. I decided to get some help with the deep clean from HomeGlow. I'm actually partnering with them on today's video, so thank you so much to HomeGlow for sponsoring. I feel like I need a really thorough, very deep clean of my entire apartment to just get it feeling fresh again. I've lived in this apartment for over 5 years and there's definitely some areas that I just forget about where dust slowly builds up over time. I'll kind of show you some video clips. If you guys aren't familiar with HomeGlow, they are a top-rated home service platform dedicated to making your space clean and tidy. They make it so easy to schedule a cleaner in your area. To schedule cleaning, just go to the HomeGlow website, pick a date and a time that works for you and how long you want the cleaning to be. You can schedule as quickly as this week or get something on the calendar for next month. And then you can just browse through cleaners in your area. You can look through photos and reviews, which made me feel confident about who I was picking to come clean. All the cleaners are background checked and reviewed and maintain around a 4.8 star rating on the platform. Home Glow is also a great way to support cleaners in your community. 100% of the cleaning fees and tips go to your cleaner directly. Each quarter or seasonally, I like to do a really deep clean of my space, and Home Glow makes that step of my reset so much easier, which is amazing going into a new season. Having a clean space is a non-negotiable for me. It really enhances my productivity and creativity and motivation. When I'm really busy, I just don't want to spend my small amount of free time cleaning. Home Glow makes it so nice to get the cleaning done, especially when you're busy. It's just nice to get cleaning taken care of for you. I'm so obsessed with how clean my apartment is, and they just did such an amazing job. They really went above and beyond cleaning my Breville espresso machine. They organized some of my laundry supplies. They do a much better and thorough job than me, and then it takes a big task off my to-do list so I can enjoy more of my time and actually relax on the weekend and go and do something fun instead of spending it cleaning. With Home Glow's Forever Clean membership, you can save so much money. It saves you around $30 an hour on future cleanings, and you can book unlimited cleaning starting around $19 an hour. Seriously, such a good deal, especially if you're getting regular cleanings like weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. It can save you so much money. It basically pays for itself with the reduced hourly rate. Something I love is that it's also really easy to schedule cleanings. Their website, since it's all online, you don't have to mess with calling someone. If you want to take home cleaning off your plate this spring, you can scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in my description to get your first 3 hours of cleaning for only $19. That is seriously such a good deal and so worth it. And this is the perfect time of year to get a good deep clean. I really don't love cleaning in general, but I really hate cleaning the floors, especially when there's salt and scum built up from winter. It's literally the worst thing. So this is the perfect time to take advantage of this deal and get a good deep spring cleaning. Definitely check out Home Glow. I think you guys would love them. Such an amazing service, and it makes my life so much easier. Now that the deep cleaning is done, I do want to do just a little bit more organizing. That's something I love about Home Glow, is that it kind of frees up my time to declutter and organize, which is one of my goals for 2026. Here's all of my spring and summer stuff. I'm just gonna take all the very wintry stuff out and switch it out for this. Mostly it's pajamas, and then I have a lot of shorts as well. To start off, I'm just gonna go through this tub, see if there's anything that's not really as much my style or that probably doesn't fit me anymore. I had to pause on the cleaning. It's almost time for my nail appointment. The last time I got this soft French. It's a very nude pink base and then funny bunny for the French. I've been obsessed with these. They're just so chic. They look good with everything. I feel like the pink kind of nude color is really nice for spring. I think I'm gonna do basically the same thing, but just a solid light pink. Maybe just a little bit more pink than what I have than the base of these. It's a little bit boring. It just feels very clean and fresh. Done with my nail appointment. They look pretty much the same, just without the French. Just love the clean pink. Now I'm just gonna take my car through the car wash. I also need to vacuum out the inside. I just went and visited my sister in Arkansas, so there's a ton of bugs, super gross on the outside. Sorry about that sound. My apartment is doing some spring cleaning as well, some landscaping. I just have a couple more things that I want to do to finish up the cleaning. I really want to declutter and organize my desk. I'm going to take everything out. All the drawers are so cluttered. Time for a little glow up. I'm about to go get my lashes filled. They're looking so sparse. I feel like lash extensions have been out for a while. I feel like the lash extensions that I get look natural and look more like a lash lift and tint for somebody that has longer lashes. I don't want to have lash blindness, so please let me know if you guys think my lashes look good. I just don't have very long lashes. They're blonde, they're short, and they're basically non-existent naturally. I feel like lash extensions give my face more life and kind of lift my eyes, make me look more awake. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Lashes are done. They look so much better. I feel like I just look so much more awake. I'm just gonna go get my hair done. It is really needing a refresh. All my layers are grown out, so I'm just gonna get some face framing layers, not anything crazy. Time to talk goals, intentions, vision boards, kind of just like getting mentally organized going into Q2 of 2026. The main things that I want to do, I want to make a spring vision board and kind of update my wallpaper. I also want to kind of go over my goals. I kind of already at the beginning of the year planned out monthly and quarterly goals. Obviously some time has passed, so I kind of just want to check in on those, maybe adjust the goals that I made at the beginning of the year. I have a Notion page. It has all of the months, and then when I click on that month, I have my goals and intentions. I made my quarterly goals and then kind of broke it down into monthly goals, filled out April, May, and June. My first goal for 2026 was to have a consistent fitness and wellness routine, working out like 3 to 5 times a week. I haven't been super consistent the last week or so. Sick, and then I went and visited my sister, so I've been a little out of my routine. I'd say so far in 2026, I've been pretty consistent with it. My other goal, kind of like going along with that, was to eat balanced meals, and I feel like I've been a lot more conscious of what makes a balanced meal and eating more balanced meals. I kind of want to build on it and start getting 10,000 steps a day. I feel like this is actually kind of a hard one. If you don't have a job where you're walking around a lot, I feel like you have to be pretty intentional to get 10,000 steps a day. My second goal for 2026 was to build my savings. In order to do that, just kind of cut back on spending. I think I've done a really great job of that in 2026. Kind of going along with that, I want to contribute more to my Roth IRA and max it out. The next goal for 2026 was to read half of the Bible. For Q2, I want to read the rest of the Gospels. I kind of already talked about this in a previous video. My goal is to finish them by April. That is a goal that I haven't really done a great job of implementing. I think what I really need to do is wake up earlier, or maybe just find like a better spot in my routine for it to fit. My fourth goal for 2026 is to hang out with a friend or attend some kind of social event 1 time a month. To most people, that's probably like not very much. I feel like I'm really bad about staying at home, like in my comfort zone. I want to be intentional about making plans and being social. The last goal for 2026 is to grow my socials. I think I've done a really good job so far in 2026 of posting more short form content and specifically partner with one of my dream brands. Those are my goals. I kind of base my goals for the second quarter of the year around my 2026 goals. I also wrote down a few intentions. They're not necessarily goals, but more just like things that I want to do. The first one is to perfect my latte art. I took a latte art class this month. That was in the last vlog. I learned a lot of how to steam the milk and how to pour it. I just kind of want to keep working on that. Definitely by the end of the second quarter of the year, I hope I can have like pour a really good latte art and maybe try like a tulip and a rosetta. I also want to book a trip for the summer. I feel like the window to book a summer trip is kind of closing. The last intention is to upgrade my camera. Currently I film on the Canon G7X Mark II. I really want to upgrade to the Mark III. It's always sold out. This camera shoots in 1080. The Mark III shoots in 4K, and even an iPhone shoots in 4K. So I feel like having a camera that doesn't film in 4K definitely like needs to be upgraded. Those are pretty much my main goals for the second quarter of the year. I would say like the main theme, I guess, for 2026 is implementing healthy habits. Even just small things like implementing supplements, improving your sleep schedule, waking up earlier, drinking more water. Like those are all really good healthy habits. I just want to be better about doing all of those things. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm definitely going to be doing a mid-year reset video. That will be the next time that we'll kind of go over all the quarterly goals. So definitely stay tuned for that. The next thing I want to do is make a spring vision board. I like to just take pictures from Pinterest that are aesthetic, that kind of fit my goals, fit the vibe that I'm going for, and kind of like collage them together. And then I like to set it as a screensaver on my phone, on my laptop, iPad. Vision board is done. Super cute, very spring. I tried to pick pictures that really represent my goals and what I want the second quarter of the year to look like. I can't believe we're already like approaching summer. I'm looking out the window, there's like snow and ice on the ground. It's crazy that in a couple months it's gonna be summertime. So crazy. I feel like it was just Christmas and now it's like almost summer. The last thing I want to do to reset for a new quarter for the spring season is to do a little content planning and just kind of like schedule planning. I'm honestly probably too much of a planner person. I think it annoys people that know me personally because I just like have to have a plan. Like I need to know where, I need to know when, I need to know what. I'm gonna go through my digital calendar and just kind of plan out the month of April. But YouTube videos I'm posting each week the month of April, short form content I want to post on TikTok and Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram and TikTok, definitely follow me on there. I'm just gonna plan out that. Also just like any personal appointments, kind of scheduling that in. I'm just gonna make my calendar and my schedule for the month of April. That is everything for the spring reset. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely leave a comment letting me know some of your spring goals or intentions, something that you really want to focus on this spring season. Thank you so much to Home Glow for sponsoring this video. Definitely make sure to check them out. I'm so obsessed with how clean my apartment is and they just did such an amazing job. Definitely recommend. I've been literally recommending it to everybody I know. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some motivation for a spring reset and just kind of getting organized. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in a week for my next one. Bye.